How to fix ranked match not working and locked issue in Call of Duty Mobile. So the other day I tried to go into ranked match, but I saw that it was locked in the top right hand corner. I couldn't play a ranked play game, but I resolved the issue, and there's two things that you'll need to do to make sure you can play ranked play whatever the issue is. As you can see, I'm in now, but before I couldn't actually get into the ranked match section. So the first one is by clicking on the downloads and making sure you have all the downloads on the game available. So go ahead and click on that downwards arrow above the team up section there. That has the little half box on it. Then click on download all and make sure especially the ranked play, ranked match maps are downloaded, and also the other ones as well, because there could be other issues with that. Or you may just simply need to update your Call of Duty mobile app, whether that's on Android with the Google Play Store or on the App Store on Call of Duty Mobile. Where it says open, it should say update. If you've not got the latest update, you'll see the update button. You just click on that, then it will have the latest update. Once that's done, for me it took a few minutes to update. Then you can go back onto Call of Duty Mobile, click on ranked match, then it should work. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.